I can give you a recent example from one of our customers. It's a leading C2C marketplace. It's got over 100 million users, and they have a huge fraud problem that couldn't be solved with their existing tooling. They were dealing with high bot traffic against their login and registration pages. Some pretty startling statistics. 80% of their traffic was bot traffic, and 33% of their registrations were fake or bot generated. To Dan's point, there's a lot of elite A-team fraudsters out there, and this is what this customer is facing. There's advanced bots, there was complex evasion techniques, and really 24/7 relentless attacks. And what we saw from this customer is that every week there were hundreds of thousands of fake accounts that were being created. So imagine the effort it took to search and destroy those fake accounts after the fact. They would also create sleeper accounts that they'd light up later after the detection from real time was not there. So they're very creative on their techniques for evading these kinds of things. And how did that lead to fraud? Essentially, all these fake accounts and fake profiles, they were selling counterfeit goods, phantom goods to real users. They disappeared, and then the real users were left holding the bag. They phished users for their PII or card information. They spammed users and so forth. And that's the fraud that happened. It resulted in a lot of lost revenue, costs from chargebacks. The team was running around and exhausted and drained. It was a bad user experience. So those are the kinds of effects that you face when dealing with that kind of malicious activity that happens so early in the user journey.